Hello, in front of me I've got DJI Mavic 2 Pro. In this video I'll show you device preview. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro is landmark consumer drone best known for its partnership with Hasselblad packet into highly portable, folding design. It is highly regarded by landscape photographers and videographers for its stellar dynamic range and low light performance. To operate this drone, you need license because it weighs over 250 grams. It does not qualify for the toy or sub 250 gram micro drone exceptions. In the US, you must register it and pass the trust test for recreational flying. In the EU, it requires an A1 or A3 or A2 remote pilot certificate depending on where you fly. It weighs 907 grams and it can fly up to 31 minutes of max flight time in ideal conditions, moving at constant 25 km per hour with no wind. Reality, it's closer to 25 to 27 minutes. The maximum altitude of this drone is approximately 6,000 meters above the sea level, max takeoff altitude. Keep in mind, legal restrictions usually cap your flying altitude to 120 meters above ground level. The maximum flight distance is 8 kilometers in FCC regions or 5 kilometers in Europe, using DJI OcuSync 2.0 transmission system. Maximum speed of this drone is 72 kilometers per hour when flown in sport mode with no wind. The drone features return to home function, but it does not have hot swappable battery. Drone is equipped with 2K cameras and AI modes via DJI app. To fully charge it, you should spend roughly 90 minutes per battery using standard 60 watt stock charger. DJI Mavic 2 Pro has 8 GB of built-in storage plus microSD card slot that expands up to 128 GB. Let's take a look at the camera sensor. The main camera sensor is 1-inch CMOS, effective pixel 20 million. Lens is FOV, approximately 77 degree, 35mm format equivalent to 88mm. ISO range for video is between 100 and 6400, photo 100-3200, manual 112,800. Max video bitrate is 100 Mbps. The drone has obstacle sensing, omnidirectional forward, backward, upward and downward and left, right. You can see multiple cameras on front, bottom, side of the drone. The battery capacity is 3850 mAh. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.